My first day in the Keys, we headed out to the Dry Tortugas National Park. The roughly 70-mile trip took us through a mix of relatively light 1 to 2 foot chop, followed by, as we got into some of the deeper water, some bigger seas, maybe more like 2 to 4 feet. While operating on plane, I don't expect that we would feel, nor do I think we did feel, significant impact from the gyro itself. The operating characteristics of the Power Cat that we were on meant that it helped smooth out the roll of the sea state. However, as you can see in the video, we still had a little bit of chop and some pounding into it. Once we got out to the fort, we found some pretty calm sea conditions within the lee of the fort that made docking pretty easy, so we were able to pull right up to the fort dock and explore the fort for a few minutes.
It's the largest brick structure in the Western Hemisphere.
So the center was called the parade grounds, where they have all the formations and things, but they also had buildings inside where the soldiers would stay.
After the fort, we headed out to the wreck of the Windjammer, grabbed a mooring ball, and held still for a few minutes. During that time, we were able to compare the performance of the gyro with the gyro locked and not stabilizing, followed by unlocking the gyro and allowing it to stabilize. What we found was a pretty significant difference in the behavior of the boat. We went from about an 8 to 9 degree maximum roll to a much more comfortable 1.5 degree or thereabout maximum roll. After our time demonstrating the efficacy of the gyro, as well as doing a little bit of snorkeling, we headed to Loggerhead Key to explore the island for a little bit and check out the historic lighthouse there. The Park Shark's bow landing ramp made accessing the beach quite easy. Captain Robert Trossett III simply pulled us up to the beach, lowered the ramp, and away we went onto the shore.
Alright. But our feet will get wet. You have time to waves.
After exploring Loggerhead, our ride came back, picked us up, and back to Stock Island and Ocean's Edge Resort it was.